I had a leftover piece of mesquite wood after I made a bowl from it, and what was left was so pretty I knew I had to make something out of it. And I ran into my friend. He had a buck lock blade knife with these plastic scales on the side that just, you know, it looked alright, but I knew the mesquite was going to look better. So as soon as I saw it, I knew what I was going to do. I just used a bandsaw and I cut the shape out of, you know, of the little scales out to start. If you're wondering why it's getting progressively darker here, is because the sun was setting and I was in a mad rush to try to finish this before I would completely run out of light. I put the screw in the end of the drill and then rubbed it on the 2000 grit sandpaper. And then I used Mother's Mag, which made it ridiculously shiny. I couldn't think of anything else, so I just stuffed 3 Q-tips in the end of the drill and just applied Mother's Mag to the stainless steel frame and used the Q-tips to shine it. Here is the coating that I'm going to apply to these scales. I was doing this outside, so I just let them set on wax paper so they wouldn't stick to anything. I love how the mesquite wood completely changed the look of this knife. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please feel free to share, leave a comment, ask a question. I'd be happy to hear from you. Thank you for watching.